First, I am here. Let me turn off my camera. I'm Julian Tovar from Colombia. I'm the product marketing manager, and also we are with Jelsin Torres, which is a technical support engineer. So, Jelsin,
Hello, guys.
okay, so we are going to start it. Let me turn off my camera because we'll be faster to present. So, the contents here will be the SPF solution, the application scenario, the SPH inverter, axial lithium battery, and some topics in the installation, right? I don't know. Okay. The SPF solution is, we have some different solution, right? The first will be the SPF DVM, which comes with a transformer inside him. It let us have a split phase. So it will be easy for single phase loads to be connected in this type of inverter. Also, we have the new model, which is the SPF DVM MPB. This has more voltage range in the DC part, so we can connect more panels in it. And now we have this new model, the SPF 6000 DVM 2 generation or G2. This let us connect until 6 inverters in the same node. Well, if we want more power, we can have 36 inverters connected. Sorry, 36 kilowatts connected for an inverter. All these ones is to be connected from two lines and ground in the input. But now we're going to talk about of the LMM SPF, which is 120 volts inverter. So this is a single phase inverter, and it's easy to connect. You can connect it in single phase, three phase, B phase. So later on, we are going to explain it better, but now I'm presenting to you each model. Also, with Meiku, we are starting to promote the batteries, the Growatt batteries, the RK of 2.5 kilowatts hour and the Axe 5 kilowatts hour. Okay, guys, so, but what is a off-grid system in Growatt? So Growatt, the inverter has to be connected of modules, batteries, utility, or generator. It depends on you. All of this is to supply the AC load. Okay. Take into account that, I said that we can connect it to the utility, but we are not going to inject energy to the grid. Okay, this is only for consumption. We don't need take care of this. Now, the first model that we are going to explain is the SPF 3000 LVM. This model is the white one, and we can connect it with batteries and PV module. Take into account that it's mandatory to have battery connected to this inverter. If not, it's not going to turn it on. With this inverter, we can have a power factor of 1. It has a MPPT solar charge controller. It can be connected to Wi-Fi, but the Wi-Fi stick doesn't come in the same box. You have to buy it uh, separately. So this is our first model. Also, we can connect 24 volts batteries and 48 volts battery. But now, it depending of the model. If ends with 24P, it is 24 voltage. If ends with 8P is 48 voltage. Okay, just give me a second. So this is compatible with lithium batteries and also uh, the gel batteries. Now here we are going to see the parallel mode. Uh, as I said, we can connect 6 inverters, maximum 6 inverters. So maybe if you want two per phase to have a three-phase system, or we can connect it single phase, the 6 inverters to have until 18 kilowatts. Please, one recommendation from us is have the same node in the battery. Every inverter has to be connected in the same node in the battery. Also, well, uh, connect the input to the grid and the output to the load, and see the requirements in the user manual. Also, well, later on we can share to you the user manual to start studying it. It's important to follow these rules to, well, to guarantees and all those things. Also, well, remember if you have questions, you can start write it on the chat, and well, we can reply to you. This is the, well, the new model of the SPF LVM, and which is the ES, as I put it here. The new key features comparing to the older inverter is right now we can connect or we cannot connect battery. It works with or without battery. So, well, if you don't want to invest for the first time a high amount of money, well, you can first start using solar and utility, and then you can connect the battery. This comes with 430 volts in DC. Works, as I said, with or without battery. Well, have a equalization charging function. Well, this can be connected as the same as the other one until 6 inverters. You can connect two per phase to have a three-phase system, or well, just a single phase of 6 inverter, maximum 18 kilowatts of power at the same time. Well, now we're going to talk about this big fella, the SPF 4000 to 12,000 dBm MPV. This inverter comes, as I said, with auto transformer inside him or here. So with this auto transformer, we can make a split phase out. Okay. So the utility, or we are going to connect the inverter to utility only with line 1 and line 2, and the output will be the two lines and the neutral. Please consider to connect the battery and the PV modules uh, to work 100%. This doesn't work without battery, so uh, in the moment that you are sizing the project, take into account the batteries. This model, the MPV, can have 250 volts in DC voltage. So you can have more panels to supply the loads. This is a low frequency transformer, and well, it's compatible with generation power, with a generation. So you can connect or utility or a diesel generator. And finally, we have this model, well, the G2 or two generation. is a inverter that now we can connect it in different amount of inverters until 6 inverters. So now we have uh, inverter with auto transformer, but we can now have multiple inverters. You know, with the other DVM solution, we can only connect one inverter, but now we are going to have until 6 inverter. Okay, so with this we can have more power for the uh, house that we are sizing or the commercial. This is the final connection. Please, this is only for single phase connection. Do not connect in three-phasic if if later you are going to buy this new G2 inverter. So from here is, well, a little bit of off-grid inverters. We can have a lot of solution later. Later, we are going to present how to install it and some installation that we have in around the world. So yeah,